So in Corel Draw, what you can actually do is you can go ahead and apply different effects to the images as well. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto the file menu, and then I'm going to go around onto import right here. And let me just go ahead and import out an image right here, just like this. So now in order to add an effect to this, I can go around over here onto the effects menu, and over here you can see that 3D effects is an option right here. If I were to go around, you can see that 3D rotate is an option right here, just like this. If I were to go around onto 3D rotate right here, I can simply go around and click and drag the rotate tool over here on the bottom right hand side right here. And you can see that I can simply go ahead and rotate it according to how I want right here, just like this. I can go around and change around, let's say, for example, the vertical angle right here and the horizontal angle just like this as well. And then this is the result that you get right here. So 3D rotate is here, as you can see, just like this. So you can simply go ahead and rotate it. So that's one of the effect right here. And I can also go ahead and add another effect as I like. So here I have this particular rotate effect. Let me just go around and delete it. And then if I were to go around over here onto 3D effect, I can go around onto cylinder right here, just like this. So apart from that, you can also go around and change around, let's say, for example, the cylindrical properties right here of this particular image as well. I can also go around and change it out to be vertical right here, just like this, and then change around according to how you want, as you can see right here. Let me just go around and delete it. And apart from that, you can also go around over here onto, let's say, for example, 3D effects. And here you can also go around for emboss, which is another effect right here. And you can change the level of depth right here, just like this. For this particular image, and then change the level just like this as well, just like this. So apart from that, you can see that this is what you have right here, and that is how you can go ahead and work around with the emboss, cylinder, and 3D rotate effect inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.